The opening of the drug treatment court will see less persons being incarcerated on drug charges. The pilot project will be housed at the Georgetown Magistrate Court. Chief Justice Acting Roxanne George Wiltshire, in her remarks at the opening of a workshop held at the Pegasus Hotel, noted that the goals of the drug treatment court are to deal with a number of social ills that relate to drug abuse and is an important aspect of the National Drug Strategy Master Plan.
The anecdotal and empirical evidence strongly indicates that there has been and is a growing number of persons who interface with the criminal justice system in Guyana who are substance abusers. The substances of choice have been found to be cocaine, marijuana, alcohol, and to a lesser extent, ecstasy. Many of these defendants have committed non-violent offenses for which the usual response of incarceration is not the most beneficial.
The Chief Justice said international and regional experience has demonstrated that treatment for drug abusers is a better response than imprisonment. Similar courts have been implemented in Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, the Bahamas, and Barbados, and has shown positive response to the drug problems facing the Caribbean region. George Wiltshire said these courts allow for the collaboration of a team of persons to support offenders in their rehabilitation.
This team will consist of the magistrate, state counsel from the chambers of the Director of Public Prosecutions and/or the police prosecutor, a police officer, a social services or probation officer, defense counsel, substance abuse treatment provider, and any other person the team may require, all working together to ensure that the offender stays the course of the contract he or she must voluntarily agree to in order to successfully graduate from the treatment program.
The drug treatment courts should be seen as problem-solving facilities and part of a concerted effort in judicial systems to see substance abusers who have contact with the law and contact with the court as persons who are in need of a more caring and supportive environment, George Wiltshire said. She noted that it will be an adult treatment court utilizing a post-adjudicating model, which means that the defendant must have pleaded guilty or been found guilty of an approved offense in order to be eligible to participate in the treatment program that the court will facilitate as an alternative to incarceration. Meanwhile, National Anti-Narcotics Agency NANA Director, Major General retired Michael Artley, posited that there should be a change in the mindset of the police force and Customs Anti-Narcotics Unit to enable them to recognize the long-term benefits of recommending an offender to participate in the drug rehabilitation program.
Drug treatment courts embrace the idea of the court being used as a soothing and curing tool, one that is used to aid the accused rather than to punish him.
For the HGP Nightly News, Colwyn Abrams.